In today's video, I'm going to show you how to print email messages in Gmail quickly and easily. This is a really useful skill if you need a hard copy of an important message, a receipt, an invoice, travel details, or anything else you want to keep for your records. And if you do find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tech guides. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to mail.google.com. Once Gmail loads, sign into your account if you aren't already logged in. Now, from your inbox, open the email message you want to print. You can click directly on the email to view the full message. When the email opens, look in the top right corner of the message. You should see a print icon there. Go ahead and click that print icon to open the print dialog. If you don't see it right away, you can also click the More option, which looks like 3 vertical dots, and then choose Print from the menu. After that, your printer settings window will appear. Here, you can select the printer you want to use, adjust any print settings, and choose things like page layout or paper options depending on your device. If you don't want to print on paper, there's also a very handy option to choose Save as PDF instead of a printer. This lets you download the email as a PDF file and store it on your computer for later. Once everything looks correct, click Print. If you selected Save as PDF, click the final Save button instead, and your email will be downloaded as a PDF. And that's it. You've just learned how to print Gmail messages or save them as PDFs in just a few clicks. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.